If you need to turn off two-factor authentication on your DoorDash account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device or access the DoorDash website on your computer. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings by tapping on your profile icon or selecting the menu option. Look for the Account Post Settings section. Step 3. Find Security Settings. Within the account settings, locate the Security or Privacy settings. This section will contain options related to your account's security features. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the SR.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, ensure to save your changes. You might receive a confirmation message indicating that the feature has been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can easily turn off two-factor authentication on your DoorDash account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to DoorDash support.